Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to cancel your Shopify store. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify admin dashboard, look at the bottom left corner of the page and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select the Plan option from the left sidebar. Next, look at the main section showing your plan information. Find and click on the Cancel Plan button to begin the cancellation process. A pop-up menu will display alternative options, such as switching to a pause and build plan. To proceed with the full cancellation, click on the Cancel Plan option inside this menu. You will then be asked to select a reason for leaving the platform from a drop-down menu. Choose the option that fits your situation and click on the Continue button. On the next screen, tick the Cancel My Plan option. Finally, click on the Cancel Plan button to confirm and close your store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.